everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew with a very special video episode of another mail call originating from Virginia in the USA from Spork Syndicate. Tom is one of my Four Horsemen colleagues, and I've really enjoyed watching the progress on his YouTube channel and how his builds, and especially impressed with his video production skills and the great steps forwards he's made since joining us a year ago. It's an honor to work together with him and also to receive these fairly regular boxes. Look at the flight path this one had to take. Tom always includes some nice sentiments and a personalized letter. Here's a preview of some of the things that will be in here, but it's mostly a surprise for me. So we'll break into this box and discover together what he's put in there. There are a couple of styrene sheet remnants right on top. Those are always needed, especially if you're doing some fabrications. Let me move the box out of the way, and we'll start with the castings that seem to be right on top. There's a Porsche 953 to kick things off. There's no better way to start than that. With a Jaguar Mark 1. You know what? It's smart when you're mailing a box to cut these cards as Tom has. I'm a customizer, not a collector, so that's cool with me. Another 911, this is a Carrera. A 63 Studebaker pickup. I don't have one of those, that's cool. Plymouth Barracuda. Porsche 911 Targa. Tom is well aware of my proclivity for all things out of Stuttgart. Here's a 64 Chevelle. A Hirohata Merc. Our friend Big Mike Espo loves those. I'll turn that one into a custom. Here's a 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone. More American muscle. Followed by a Hot Wheels Cadillac Project GTP hypercar. Just saw one of those done up on Jakarta Diecast project. There's a Mighty K. Porsche 935, always welcome. And a 63 Dodge Dart. My very first car was a 73 Dodge Dart. Good memories. There's the 904 Carrera GTS from Porsche. I think that's a rather new casting. And a BMW M3 wagon, already done up in racing livery. There's a Catch Your Eye 911 GT3 Cup in hot pink. Now for some Lucy's. I've got to unwrap by hand. Oh, that's a fast bed hauler. I don't have one of those, Tom, and I instantly have an idea for what I want to do. Thank you very much. I like that. Double engines on the sides. There's a Ford Mustang Mach-E 1400. Please write in the comments below if you have any ideas or suggestions for custom jobs on these cars. Here comes a Toyota van 1986 vintage. Our mutual friend and Four Horsemen teammate Paul is selling Toyotas now, but this one would have to be on the used lot. A cool combi. I requested one of those. Thank you very much, Tom. I've got some project ideas in mind and I want to collect a few of these. Another pink car. This one's an Austin Mini Cooper. Those are cool no matter what color or livery they're done in, aren't they? A Mazda AutoZam. Now that's got to come in handy for some kind of wastelands project or a special invitational. I always need those oddball castings. Oh, gotta have a bone shaker. Nice one. This looks like special packaging now, and extra tape went into that. So we'll edit through to the final unveiling. Oh, thank you very much. This is Tom's Painted Pink entry. It's a Nissan Maxima drift car. And in the letter from the very beginning, he said he's including this to be given to my wife, Petra, and she can keep that or pass it on. And Tom, we appreciate your kind words about Petra's friend Taya, who is battling breast cancer right now. Thank you very, very much. That's a sentimental favorite. I wonder what... Oh, I think this was also forecast in the letter. This is a buddy build that Tom and I did together last summer. It's a fast fish, or he calls it the flying fish. We had to do flying cars. Look at that. You can recognize the casting, but that's super modification and fabrication that went into that. I'm taking a guess this is the stand that goes with it. Indeed it is, all sporked out, with a post in the middle. So now the fast fish can indeed go flying, like that. Hey, nice, thank you very much. Your VW Beetle custom that I did is going to be in the mail before Christmas. By way of hobby supplies, I requested some Epo putty, that's epoxy putty. Thanks for fulfilling that wish. Nice sundry assortment of balsa and styrene rods and sticks. I'm always going through those. And the perfunctory inclusion of some sporks from Spork Syndicate. That's awesome. Oh, yes, I can measure a little car with that. Thank you again so much, Tom. You're a great and generous friend. Sure do appreciate you, and I'll be reciprocating soon with a box coming to Virginia. Thanks for visiting again today, everybody. Come on back soon and often. It's coffee time.